what I'm going to do, take a dodgeball, regular dodgeball, and I'm going to throw it through this open roof little area, and it should go all the way over, and then land in the goal down there. About 52 paces away. It's not a very good goal, and I don't have a basketball, but I do have dodgeball, so just hope it works. Kind of leaning up against something. Here we go.